Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting inside the TikTok app. Sign into the account you want to inspect, then go straight to Profile. Once there, tap the three-line menu and open Settings and Privacy. This is where Watch History controls live. Make sure permissions for activity tracking are enabled so TikTok logs videos you watch. If you don't see options yet, stay signed in and use the app for a few minutes. TikTok may need time to populate activity. Now, find Watch History inside Settings or under Privacy right arrow Personalization and Data. That's the panel that shows what you've watched. Once inside, use filters such as date range, creator name, or hashtags to quickly find the clip you need. Filters cut hours of scrolling. Tap a listed video to replay it, save it to favorites, or export details if you need them. If nothing appears, make sure you haven't disabled activity logging. Otherwise, to finish up, you can clear records if needed. Go to Watch History and use Clear, then confirm. That removes local logs immediately. If history is missing or inconsistent, check that you're in the correct account, verify privacy settings and that TikTok has activity permission, and make sure the app is updated. If problems persist, log out and back in or reinstall the app to force a fresh sync. Just export or back up any favorites before clearing, so you don't lose saved content.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.